most of the tourists probably would visit El Nido, Puerto Princesa, or Coron in Palawan. But you know what? There's more to this beautiful island than these three popular destinations. A place in Palawan that is also worth exploring is Quezon. It's where the enigmatic Tabon Caves are found, and there's so much to see in this natural wonder. It's easy to visit Tabon Caves as it's not a long trip by land and by boat. The first thing that welcomes you upon arriving at the destination is a beautiful beach. There are wooden planks leading to the cave entrance where boatmen dock their boats so guests can walk on them. The Tabon Caves, dubbed as the Philippines Cradle of Civilization, are a group of caves located on Lipuun Point, north of Quezon municipality in the southwestern part of the province of Palawan. They are a part of the Lipuun Point Reservation, which has been protected by the government of the Philippines as a museum reservation to protect the caves and immediate vicinity from deforestation and to preserve the cultural artifacts present there. The caves are named after the Tabon scrub fowl. Out of 215 known caves, 29 have been explored, and 7 of these are open to the public. One of the oldest human bones found in the Philippines, the Tabon Man, was found here in 1962. In 2006, the Tabon Cave Complex and all of Lipuun was added to the tentative list of the Philippines for a future UNESCO World Heritage Site nomination. The complex is managed by the National Museum and was declared as a National Cultural Treasure by the same institution in February 2011. There's just so much beauty and history in the Tabon Caves and the Tabon tribe itself. So the next time you're in Palawan, skip the popular places and head over to Tabon Caves for a change.